How to fix Payoneer account block. So this is usually due to security issues, multiple accounts, or failed verifications. So you can follow these steps over here to potentially help you recover your account. So the first step is to check your email. Since Payoneer usually sends an email explaining why your account was blocked, read it carefully as it often includes the exact reason and, of course, the steps to resolve the issue. If this doesn't work, you can try contacting support. Visit the Payoneer Support Center. You can find this in either the preferred browsers that you have or inside the actual app. There you can submit a support ticket and clearly describe your issue so that they can speed up their review and unlock your account again. You can also try verifying your identity, upload valid documents such as a government ID or bank statement when asked, and make sure the documents are clear and match the details in your Payoneer account. Also, after that, you can avoid multiple accounts since Payoneer only allows one personal account per user. If you did create more than one, contact support to close or merge them to prevent permanent suspension. And finally, if you've done all this, you can just wait for a review, since after submitting your documents, you're gonna have to wait a few business days for Payoneer to review your case. You'll eventually receive an email update once your account is verified or reactivated, or basically responds to what you did. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.